how to increase or decrease the transparency of the edge panels handle on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon, then we scroll down and tap on display. After that, we then scroll down. In here, tap on edge panels, make sure it is turned on at the top. Then we go down and tap on handle. In here, to increase or decrease the transparency of the handle, just drag on the slider bar to the left or to the right. So when we set the transparency to low, you can clearly see the edge panels handle clearly. When we set it to high, then the handle will be very high transparency. And that's it. So here I will set to low so I can see where it is. Then finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.